Sam here with MarineMax Coco, and today we're out in the water on a brand new 2024 Scout 215 XSF. Beautiful model, midnight blue hull color, standard upholstery. Here at the helm, you have the flip down bolsters, both sides, nice and comfortable when you're sitting in here on the helm, or you can stand up and lean against it. Here on the dash, we have a Garmin display, nicely laid out switches for all your pumps and lights, fusion head unit, and your standard gauges. This boat is also equipped with trim tabs, digital binnacle, and your VHF radio here. Scout, awesome, a nice emblem here that's illuminated to let you know that your battery switch is on, so you never forget when you're leaving the boat. Here at the bow, you have plenty of seating, nice big lounger here, storage. You can use it as a fish box or the cooler, so it's insulated. Dedicated anchor storage. Nice spot to keep your anchor so it doesn't destroy anything. Up here, you have cup holders and rod holders. They double. Nice tie-off cleat. Back in the transom, you have a pull-down aft seat. So if you have some riders on here, you can have 2 additional seats. When you're fishing, stow it, put it here, plenty of room to tackle your fish. Here in the console, you do have a porta potty. Plenty of room for storage, or if you have to do your business, jump right in there. In the back here, you have a Mercury 200 outboard, 4-stroke, nice, quiet, fuel efficient, plenty of power for this 21-foot boat. That concludes this 2024 Scout 215 XSF walkthrough. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, give us a shout at 321-636-3142 or always online at MarineMax.com. Thank you.